Morning, 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 my pips. Lobby just wake. You see this in a man, people? Called hockey stick. See it? Wire stick. I don't know, me I jump post past the farm. Take a prep on the okra tree, huh? So the skeleton them are going with. Here's some people, you see the skeleton them. Nice and alright. Alright, so a lot of bigs are go down at the hockey tree. See the corn them here, people. Yeah, man. Corn them there, people. Go along down the sun, see it? Yeah. Cultivation. Yes, some people, so. I don't know. Down at the hockey tree. See it, no people? See it? What's up some hockey and saltfish? In the morning, my people. Yeah. What's up some hockey and saltfish? That's it, people. Hockey a job. Alright, the pips, so I'm going to pick some hockey. Banana tree, them people look lovely. Yes, man, because I mulch root them, so them look lovely. You understand me, pip? Yeah. So I'm going to stay tuned the people, I don't know. Morning vibes. Yes, my peeps, so what the amount of things I have to do in the morning, I have to take a view of every little thing. What time now? See it? 9:37, you know, people. Just like a shop, you know. So I don't know, I saw some onion seeds and my people are sowing, so. Yes, so them bust up. Right, so this is what onion look like when it's, we call it germinate. Yeah, and this is the cabbage, right? And here, so we have some beetroot and some little young pepper. That's the side way. Right, the peeps. So I don't know. Catch up on the road, I got a shop. Right, my peeps, so the big just a kick off the ball rolling, so I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna match up some plantain fritters and some ackee and saltfish. Alright, so the thing set on the paper. Yes, I'm gonna set on the water on the stove and come right back here, so alright. Wash off the saltfish, my peep. Yeah. Plantain time, so I know so the right plantain. Put it in the fridge, the skin get black. You understand? That means it's not good enough, my peep. That means it's not good. So, plantain fritters. That's it. Stop. Get up. People wanna see this in the blender. Yeah man, some plantain left, so I use it to make some juice. Yes man, plantain can make juice, my peeps. You see it? And the plantain really want sugar because it's sweet. Unless you say the ripe, so the well sweet one, so you don't want no sugar. But I will show you one style when I done with them ackee and the saltfish, you understand? So you see the plantain fritters. Yeah. Alright, so I go wash up my seasoning and my paper and get back to you. So see the seasoning right there, so. Yeah. And I have my garlic. I want my garlic down. Oh. Piece of garlic off in my ackee. I don't have garlic in my ackee. I eat none. I don't want none. Yeah, so see the garlic there. Alright, my peeps. So I don't know anything. Stay tuned. Alright peeps, so now I'm telling you start planting the juices, you know. Yeah, I'm blowing up the planting for the flitters. Some the left, so put a few blocks of ice in the blender. See if it can chop it up. Alright, my peeps, so juice ready. Right? Plantain juice. No sugar, you don't need nothing in it. All the thing I might need in it, my people, make me show you. See? Just a bit of salt. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put the salt in it. Give back a one spin. This one a little bit of salt in it and a little bit of nutmeg. Alright. Spice it up the right way, because you know I put no milk. I look on the colour. See it? Actually look like a milk already. See it, my people? So see the nutmeg in it, then my people. Alright. So the nutmeg in there and the salt in there. I will spice it up a little bit more with something in there. Forward in my whip. See that? Vanilla. A rusty pack. Cork full. Blend him again. So everything come back. Alright, my peeps, so don't see it. So the thing them look, it's all about sharing, so yeah. Kids them have to be alright. Neighbors them have to be alright. Wife be alright. Husband alright. Everybody alright. Bad mind people alright. Alright, I just alright. Alright? Yes, my peeps, so ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish. Plantain fritters. Alright? And plantain juice. Alright, my peeps, so I don't see anything. So I don't know how big I got to call the kids and give them food, and I don't know. I go sit down and eat some food. Alright, my peeps, so later on. Alright, my peeps.